Hi everyone, my name is Grace Wells. On TikTok handle you can find me as Grace Wells, the Port contributor. I'm a real estate consultant. I deal with landed property and building properties. I'm also an agent for Charlotte Apartments. In case you want to stay for your short vacation in the city of Port Harcourt, I got to cover Advent Space Charlotte Apartments. And yes, about today's masterclass, it was fun, interesting, and educative because I got to learn about mental AI, how to run a professional ad as a content curator or as a brand. They had a roundtable Reuters conference where we networked with other Reuters, talked about our businesses and how to encourage each other to improve in the business and all that. So today's masterclass was one of its kind. And I wonder why you're not here as a
My name is Miracle OC. My Facebook handle is Miracle OC. On Instagram, also Miracle OC. Well, I'm an upcoming Nollywood actor. I'm also into buildings, designs, flooring, and new wall. So you can also people for that. And I'm a real estate consultant. Today we had the masterclass, and believe me, the class was wonderful. I learned about editing of video. Before now, I don't know that, and how to run Facebook ADS. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Come and buy land. We have lands. We have lands in Oyibo, Federal Estate. We have Garden Estate. We have Farm City, and the lands are affordable. Even if that money to buy, you can build someone. You get your 10%. You have so many referrals. I mean, it's a beautiful company and there's no scamming. If you build someone, you can take it to the satisfaction. The person can go to the land and see how the land is.
Yeah.
So you know what you want to buy. Everything is real, no scamming.
Hi guys. Hi, so this is Miracle. Most of you have seen this face before. You can also call me Lumby Homes, CEO Lumby Homes. So I came to the office. We came for a masterclass today, and guys, trust me, it was a blast. If you missed it, I'm so sorry, but next time you're gonna come, okay? I learned a lot today. We learned about Facebook advertisement. I got to meet new friends. I got to connect with my friends here, Grace Wells and Miracle, and I also got to interact with one or two persons. I learned a lot today, guys. So I just want to show my face, and you will know the voice behind the camera, okay? All right, we're done. Bye.